Now on Sunrise, if you are looking for a fun, artsy activity to do with your kiddos, the Orlando Science Center may have an idea for you.
Yeah, and the best part, it's not messy. A win for the moms and dads. Alex Alisi shows us the arts and crafts idea in today's Science of It.
Hello everybody and welcome to the Science of It here at the Orlando Science Center. I'm here with Jess, and Jess, what are we going to be doing this week?
So today we're going to be making some really fun DIY bathtub paint.
All right.
Yes, it's used a very simple materials. So in here right now I do have the Johnson & Johnson's shampoo. It's best to use like kid-friendly shampoo or body wash just for extra safety, eyes and everything. Okay. So right now I have a half of a cup in here currently. Okay. So I'm going to add a half a cup of cornstarch now. Okay. So when I add that in there, it is a thickening agent.
What kind of consistency you're trying to get there?
So you want it to be thick, but not too thick, and you want it to be runny, but not too runny. Okay. So it's kind of like an in-between. So I'm gonna add like 3 tablespoons of water to start. Okay. So I'm gonna add 1.
It looks almost like glue.
Yes, it looks very much like glue. I add 3. So it's really just like a soapy cornstarch mixture. So it's really easy to clean when you use it in your bathtub. Okay, yeah, so this is really fun for our young learners because they can use this bathtub paint to become, artists, have an art class while they're in the tub. Okay. And they can also practice things like writing their name, letter recognition, shape recognition. So there's a lot of fun benefits to doing this.
And I'm guessing if it's on the bathtub walls, it's probably pretty easy to clean up too.
Exactly, because when you rinse it, it really is just like a soapy consistency. Okay. So when it kind of goes down the drain, you'll notice that it just looks like soap. Okay. And maybe you have a bubble bath. Nice. We're going to divide this into 4 circles, so I'll do these 2 and you can do these. Okay.
And this is a muffin tin?
This is a muffin tin. You can also use an ice tray if you want to do more colors.
Oh, okay.
So now we're going to add just some simple food coloring into it. Okay. I'm going to do blue and yellow.
How many drops do you normally put?
I would say probably 2. Okay. 2 to be safe. You could probably get away with doing more than 2, but I want it to be more pastel.
Gotcha. A little lighter color.
Little lighter. So just go ahead and mix up your colors, and you'll see that that food color really goes a long way.
Yes, it does.
And food coloring, if you get just standard, simple food coloring, it won't stain anything. Perfect. That looks great. Yours came out really vibrant.
Yeah, this looks really nice.
Awesome. So now that you have that, this is just a really fun sensory experience for the kids, which really does open the doors for a lot of scientific learning, like cause and effect, and just kind of like, why did that happen? Why did this thicken? Why did this happen? Right. So it just really is a great form of learning.
And you can experiment how much water you put in there.
Exactly, you can do that, absolutely. So now it's just the fun part. I'm gonna write my name, I think. That's a really good thing that you can practice. And as you can see, ours is more of a pastel, and they can practice writing their name. You can do some shapes. So I'll make this shape. What is this shape?
A triangle.
It is a triangle. Nice. And then another really fun thing is that they can practice, mixing colors. So we do have blue right here.
Okay.
And we have yellow. And when we mix it up, you can see it's starting to make kind of like this greenish color.
I see green.
It's pretty, I don't know, like minty green.
Yeah, so you learn your primary colors and secondary colors.
Exactly.
Awesome.
So you can become an artist in the bathtub. It's really fun. It's very simple.
Cool. So Jess, where can people find more activities like this?
Well, you can go to osc.org/blog, or of course you can come to the Science Center and you can check out our super fun programming right here.
Cool. Well, Jess, thank you so much for showing us this, and thank you for joining us here on the Science of It.
And if you want to see other cool stuff happening at the Orlando Science Center, it's open daily except Wednesdays, each day from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m.